Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi, nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Jaka Sarkar Jela Conrad Konggel Sangma mentakas ngi ke Hendriotrik ubena jembang arajar artway. Ula penlong ye ke Jurip ya ke Jaka ban bo ye ki kor ki bor ban Thang ye ki Jaboh ki bami ni ki hospital Tura West Garo Hills District. Ya ke ni ke kam lamang man penbit penbiang ha ke jinglut ke basau kelor tengka. Hagan ke jinglet Jurip le senran lang ya Menteri Rangba da Deputy Commissioner Ram Singh bat kiwei ki hair officer. Yakni ke Jaka Thang Jaboh ni ke biomedical waste incinerator an bo hajan ke Jaka badan ke interstate bus terminal ke badan Tura.
We've just visited ISBT where the site for the biomedical waste incinerator is being prepared. This is a 4 crore project which has already been sanctioned. And the work also has started. So I've just come to see the work, and we're hopeful that within a few months the work for this also will be completed. This is something that was very much needed because a lot of biomedical waste is there which needs to be disposed of safely. So once this comes up, that objective will be met.